Here I'm going to be replacing the neutral safety switch on the 1999 Ford Taurus. Here's the old part. As you can see, it's worn and it's had better days. And here's the new part. I'm just going to simply install it. Very easy. Goes right there. I'm just going to slide it right down. There we go. Make sure it's all the way down here. Just press it. Pressing it here. That's down. Yeah, I'm going to continue here. I've got this part on top here. And there's my washer. Actually, I'm going to want to tighten these down first, I think. Down. Gotta have a good touch here to really get the job done right. But I'm just tightening it here. That one's on. There it goes. Tighten, tighten. Keep tightening. And that's on. I'm going to attach this back. This goes here. That'll bolt will hold it in place. There's the bolt there. Screw it on. Tighten it here. Tighten it down. Just got a ratchet here. So it's 13mm. bright enough. And you just plug it in here. Right there. The plug there. And you're good to go. Okay, and let's see if I put the car in right, see if she starts up, first of all. Yeah, see how she shifts. There it goes, nice smooth shift to reverse. Goes in reverse. Look at that, nice smooth shift. That's what you're looking for when you change the neutral safety switch. Goes into drive. Park. It's in park. And looks like it works good enough. Hope you enjoyed the video.